How to enable secure boot to upgrade to Windows 11. We will need a bootable flash drive with a bootable OS and AOMEI Partition Assistant installed. Turn on the Rufus utility. Enable GPT and UEFI mode. Burn the bootable flash drive, restart the computer and enter the BIOS. Go to Settings, Boot, and change boot mode select from Legacy UEFI to UEFI. Save changes and restart the computer to the BIOS. Again, go to the Settings, Boot, and change the boot option from the hard drive to the bootable flash drive. Save the settings again and reboot. Enter the operating system on the flash drive. Open AOMEI Partition Assistant and change the system disk from MBR to GPT. The apply button in the upper left corner. And reboot into BIOS again. Return the boot option from the flash drive to hard disk. Then we go back to Settings, go to Advanced, Windows OS Configuration, switch BIOS CSM mode to UEFI mode. Look at GOP information. There are no GPU drivers and devices. That's normal. But it doesn't allow you to enable secure boot now. You must first save the changes and restart the computer. And now you can. Go to Settings, Advanced, Windows OS Configuration, GOP information, and here devices and drivers have already appeared. Now you can enable secure boot. It remains to install all the updates of the current Windows and you can update to Windows 11.